Do you have the hiccups?
Ash.
Maybe we can go get Ash. Who else are we going to get? Are we going to get Ash?
Ash.
Who else?
Mimi.
Mimi. Bryson? Can you say Bryson?
Baba.
Baba. Is that a baseball? A ball?